So we glad to have you connected. You are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, category, and facilities also. You can see on the screen hotel location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.4, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests with card using photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or if you have not subscribed our channel yet, then